You can add a customer to your Gas Engineer software account in several different ways, so you have the freedom to find out what best suits your workflow. All methods, web or mobile, will automatically sync and update customer details to your account so they can be accessed by others in your company. Let's start with the web portal. Once you log in, you'll see a Create New button in the top right corner. Click it and a window will open. Select Customer and you'll be redirected to the New Customer page. This same page can also be accessed by navigating to the Customers section of the software. Click on Customers in the top menu from any page, and then click Add Customer. Here you can add all their details, including title, name, address, email, and so on. We'll add an example customer for this video. Be sure to use our address lookup feature to make this process a lot quicker. You can simply type a postcode in and each line will auto-populate. Click Save when you're done. If you want to edit a customer's details, maybe they've changed their address or email, you don't have to create a brand new contact for them. Simply head to the Customers tab, search for the customer, and click on their contact. Edit what needs to be updated and remember to click Save. Now your customer's correspondence address isn't always the property that needs work, such as if they're a letting agent. This is why when you create a job in Gas Engineer software, we ask for a job address as well as a customer. This also allows you to store multiple job addresses for a single customer, keeping things tidier and more organized. Since we haven't added a job address for our example customer yet, if we were to try and create a job for our example customer here, it will say no results when trying to select the job address. We can simply click Create New Job Address here, but let's also go through how to add a job address normally. Two easy ways to do this are to click Create New in the top menu and then Job Address, or heading to the customer's contact and clicking Add Job Address in the right hand side options menu. All of these options take you to the same page where you can add a job address. You also have the option to copy the customer address if it's the same one. When you're done, click Save and the job address will now be stored in the software. This process can be repeated for as many job addresses as your customer has, and you'll be able to see them all under their profile. You can also easily add customer information from a mobile device, an especially useful feature for sole traders and engineers who want to keep organized while out in the field. Start by opening up the app. Tap on Customers from the home screen, and tap Add New Customer at the bottom. Simply fill out their details, scroll to the bottom and click Save. Alternatively, if you already have a customer's details saved in your phone's contact book, you can tap this icon in the top right corner. Everything will be imported and all you need to do is check it over and tap Save. As with the web portal, you'll need a job address as well as a customer when creating a new job on the app. To add a new job address, simply go back to the home screen and click Job Addresses, and then Add New Job Address at the bottom. You'll be prompted to select the customer it's for. If you haven't yet added their details, you can always click Add New Customer from this page. Here you have the choice of copying the customer's address, if the job address is the same as your customer's correspondence address, or filling out a new one entirely. Add any notes if necessary, and click Save when you're done. This setup means you can easily add multiple job addresses for a single customer, such as if they're a letting agent, to keep things tidy and organized. And that's it, but on screen now are a few things to keep in mind. One last thing, if you'd like to import an existing database of customer contacts, there's no need to do them all one by one. Simply give us a ring and we'll help you import them. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know by ringing 0207 129 7058 or emailing support@gasengineersoftware.co.uk.